I'm pretty sure a lot of us have played video games before. Now, if you know the channel, I have talked about video games and the advantages that it can work for in photography, especially in events, many times and in other videos. So you might be wondering, how does it relate from photography and videography to video games? So picture this. You're starting up a new video game and you're in a whole different world. You go and there's a whole environment. There's all these different characters. There's all these different things happening. And you are basically learning how things work and how to be the best you can be in that environment. And especially multiplayer games, even more so, because you're trying to get above all the other players. So picture it this way. When you're doing photography and you're at an event, you want to become the best you can be over there, the best you can be for your client, or even if you're doing it as a job or something in any job pretty much, you are going to want to optimize how you do things. So in video games, you learn how to get the best skills, you know, the secret paths. You learn how to do all side quests to get the advantage that you need. You learn all these different things and they come and help you become the better player or the better main character, because as many of you know, if you're dealing with things, you're probably the main character in your own whole story in your own old world in games and also in real life. So yeah, you got to optimize how things work. So if you apply this thought to learning about it and making the best out of it in events and stuff, you're going to have a much bigger advantage. So some things you can do are things I've mentioned in the past, like networking, going and putting yourself in uncomfortable situations where, you know, you're not accustomed to it, because if you are just in a comfort zone, you're going to stay in that comfort zone most likely. There's no reason to get out of it sometimes, but you know, if you want to grow, if you want to become better than you ever thought so, then it's better to get out of that comfort zone. And trust me, games will do this time and time again. They'll say, okay, there's this enemy you have to go forward for and you have to go and destroy them, but you can't do it because you're under level. So how do you level up? You go and put all this effort forward to do that. And trust me, I have 130 platinums. Yeah, true story. So I really think applying this thought will be beneficial for many of you. I know it's a very quick video, but I just had this idea and I actually literally thought of it on the toilet, and I really think it's something useful for many of us to just apply and use. I really think it's very useful for many of us to apply and use. You can see I literally just took a shower. That's literally why and how quick I wanted to record this video. I literally came out of the shower and thought of it and just wanted to record right away. Anyway, beside all of that, I really hope you enjoyed this video, got some value. If you want to see another cool one, be sure to look at this one over here or check out the channel right over here. If you want to hit me up on socials, it'll be somewhere in the description, comments, or somewhere on screen now. So be sure to check that out, and I hope to see you next video. Peace.